Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today I'll be talking about how to create a free website with free hosting and domain name for life. This is another version. I have already done a video on how to create a free website with free hosting and free domain name with Pro Free Host. So if you haven't checked that one yet, it will be on the cards above or in the description box. You can check the link. And this one is also similar to that, which will not require any tough coding or any other knowledge or any other skill on creating a website. This is completely free and easy. This website will be similar to Pro Free Host. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So yeah, this is the website. Its name is infinityfree.com. This is the website which we are going to create a website for free. It's a website builder. So they provide 99.9% uptime and it's completely free. They don't post any ads on your website after you start with it, and the hosting and everything will be free. As you can see on the screen, it gives you unlimited disk space and unlimited bandwidth. So I think this is much better for a free website to get started with your initial blogging or initial website, but you can upgrade at any time. So if you are going with it, create an account. I have already created an account and I have logged in. So if you are new to it, sign up and create an account and log into the website provider. So this is the dashboard. Here the create account will give you new websites to be built. So the create account bar will be giving you that. And if you are they also provide custom domain names in the dashboard. So if you want to get custom domain names, they will be redirecting you to Namesilo, which is a domain name provider. They will be providing you cheap domain names, but it is not free. But in this video I'll be showing you how to get a free domain name. This is Namesilo website where you will be getting cheap price domain names. If you search for your name, you'll be able to see the price for 1 year. If you want a custom domain name, you can buy from here, which is integrated with their website Infinity Free. So yeah, we are again in the Infinity Free panel. So they also provide integrated VPN services, SSL certificate services, but we are not going to look into that in detail. If you want, you can check with that when you are creating an account. But now I'll be showing you how to create your free website. So when you are in the dashboard, in account section, click on account section. Accounts is where you will be creating a free website. Create an account. Click on the create an account. Create an account means you are creating a new website. When you click on create an account, you will be redirected to first enter your domain details. So yeah, getting started with it. If you don't have a domain name purchased, you can create a free domain name, or if you have a domain name already purchased, you can enter it here and copy the server address to the domain provider so that it will be connected. Now to start with free domain name, click on subdomain and you will be having domain extensions such as .apz.com or .rf.gd. In Pro Free Host they will be giving you Unox and Ezoic. So here you will be getting these two and enter your subdomain name. So the domain name will be, for example, in my case, I'll be giving onlinemoneygoals.rf.gd or onlinemoneygoals.apz.com. So this is how my domain name will be. So if you are not okay with the name of your domain name, you can anytime change it, buy some custom domains and enter it there and change this domain name, and you can anytime change those things. So that is not a problem. So here I am starting with onlinemoneygoals.rf.gd. Now you have to enter additional informations which are nothing but your you have to check whether you're okay with it. So yeah, I think we don't have to do anything here. It's already filled, and I think this is okay. Now check with the captcha. Yeah, now see, this is the panel, C panel. Here, as same as the last one, we are going to go for Softacular's app installer. This is same, the C panel and everything will be same. We can install WordPress. So for installing that, we have to click on to Softacular's app installer. See, can you see that? Click on to that. You will be redirected to Softacular's app installer. Yeah, here you have to install the WordPress. If you want an e-commerce site, you can click on to Abante cart, but we are not going to do that. Even if it is a e-commerce website, I will be doing it only with WordPress. If you want to explore more, you can choose anyone from here. Like you have an option to build up a forum, or you can start with a messenger kind of website. So there are lots of things. If you want, you can explore with that, but we are now going with the WordPress. So I'll be installing WordPress. Click on install and it will start. Installation will be started. At the bottom of the page you have another install button, so you have to click on to that. So yeah, we'll be going to the bottom of the page. At the bottom page I have install button. After clicking on to that, WordPress will be installed in that domain name. This will be taking a bit of time. See, now it's completed. Now you click on to the administrative URL. If you want to edit your WordPress, I'll be telling you now. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now if you want to find and edit your WordPress, or if you want to get into that admin panel, enter your URL /wp. It will ask your admin name, and the username and the password. Enter that and you will be getting into this dashboard, or pin this in the Chrome or Firefox or any browser, pin it there. So this is the dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. We'll start with building our website. So I'll be searching for Astra. From here, everything will be similar to the last video. Like ProFreeHost will be doing the same. So click on the Astra template builder and install it. Click on install. This will be taking a bit of time, but after installing, we'll start with customizing our website. If you don't want Astra, you can even choose from already available free themes in WordPress. Click on appearance, and in the theme section you will be able to see some free themes that are already present in the WordPress. So you can click on that and do. But now we are doing with Astra. I'm clicking on to Elementor. If you want, you can go with Beaver Builder, Gutenberg or Brizy, but in this one I'll be choosing Elementor only. So Elementor is already having a few templates to start with it. So you have to just click on to the template and your website will be similar to that. It was really great and professional, so I really love Elementor a lot. So I'm choosing with Elementor, and it's actually really easy to edit and customize it at any time. So yeah, I'm choosing one website template from Elementor. But one thing I have to mention is that, can you see a small box above some websites where it shows agency? So those things are agency bundles, which are like pro version. You have to buy those pro versions to in order to get that website bundle. Can you see agency and a small box kind of thing above website templates? So those are pro websites. We can only use free. In this free also, there is one drawback, which you won't be able to edit the background images. So make sure that you're choosing a website theme which relates to your niche. Because if I'm going to choose something like fitness and diet and health kind of website template, and if I'm not able to change it according to my business which is related to internet marketing agency kind of, then it will be really hard, right? It won't suit my website theme and all, so it won't suit my niche first. So make sure you choose the niche kind niche related templates. So there are many themes available with Elementor, many free themes which are really professional and looking seriously, it's looking really nice. The website templates are really good. So choose anyone according to your niche. If you want, you can even click on the drop down box where you can choose blog, and it will show blog related website templates. See, it will filter and show you. Some filters are there, so you can choose from that. So I'll be choosing that mountain theme. But if you want, you can try with any free templates which are already available. I'm choosing with the mountain one. So I'll be importing the whole site. If you want, you can import only homepage or only contact page or only the blog page. This import will take some time. So click on import and your site will be imported. If you don't want already existing site, you can click on delete existing and import it as new. Now I'm doing that. This will be taking a bit of time. I'll show you when it is completely finished. See, now the import is complete. Now click on visit site. We will be redirected to our site. So this is how my website will be looking like. We'll be editing the same way like my old video where I have done the same website theme and I have edited it already. If you want, you can check with ProFreeHost. I will link it in the description box. Now to edit this website, click edit with Elementor. If you're going to click on customize, it will go to the WordPress customize option. So that is not what we are going to do. It won't change everything because these are coming with Elementor. So you have to click with edit with Elementor. Now the Elementor panel will be popping out. Can you see in the left panel you have few tabs which will allow you to edit and add according to your need. I'll be changing the title as online money goals. You can add and customize however you want, but as I said already, the drawback is you won't be able to edit the background. It will be editable only in the paid versions. I cannot change the mountain image and other thing. Images, the background image won't be editable actually. But other than that, you can change anything like the subtitle and other wordings and other things. Titles, everything can be changed other than the background image. Now you can even edit the button. Button is like when you click onto it, it will redirect to another page. Where now in this button, I'm editing services as watch my YouTube videos. So when watch our video, when someone clicks on it, they will be redirected to my YouTube channel page. So can you see? I can edit the name of it, and in the links box, you have to paste your URL of the YouTube channel or wherever you want the people to go. Now I'll be copying my YouTube channel link. So can you see this is my channel, and I'll be copying the URL of my channel, and I'll be pasting it in the link. When someone clicks on watch our videos, they'll be redirected to my channel page. Now if I want, I can even change my icon. If you want any images, you can add it, but I'm not going to add any image. I just want to add an icon. So they already have an icon library where I'm going to search for YouTube. Can you see they already have two icons, which I think this one is nice. Yeah, you can change the size of it from large to small or like medium, something like that. Can you see? Extra large. And in the same way, if I want, I can even change the about us button, but I'm not going to do that. I think you already know the procedure, so you can edit it as how you want. Same way, I'll be changing all these things. If you want, you can name it however you want, or if you want your blog post to come there, you can change that one. And this is call to action page. Like if you want your people to subscribe, make sure you install newsletter plugin, newsletter or MailChimp, something like that, and you can add it here. That will be fine, because newsletter and MailChimp will be giving you an option to subscribe, and the people who subscribe to your page will be getting newsletters in their mail ID. So if you want, you can even install those plugins. I'm doing with newsletter. I think, yeah, I'm doing with newsletter plugin. It's going really well. So if you want, you can do that. You can even change the logo of your page in the top. You can do that. So yeah, this is how my website will be looking like. So that's all for now. If you have any doubts, please comment it below. I'll make sure that I answer it as soon as possible. If you want, you can even check it out with my Pro-Free Host video. I'll be linking it in the description box. If you like this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.